Hi guys, it's Wayne. So, if you watched the first video, I assembled the floorboard for my 2014 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic LT. So, I discovered when I installed the floorboard on the other side of the bike that you can't have the bracket attached when you attach it to the bike because there's no room to get the bolts in there. So what you need to do is, but at least now you know how it goes together. So I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to pause this. I'm going to take it apart and then I'll proceed from there. So bear with me just a moment. Okay, I'm back. So I pulled the bracket off and my ball bearings and springs and my other two clips I set over aside so that I knew exactly where they were. So now what you need is, because I also discovered that the bolts that come with the footboards, they don't make any sense. So I'm just reusing the original bolts that held the foot pegs on, and it works just fine. So on the, there's two bolts that hold the there's two bolts that hold the foot peg on, and it's a 10 millimeter socket. So I'm just going to remove these. I'm going to get the other one. Okay, so now take your bracket and make sure, like we talked about before, you have the flat portion facing down. And again, you don't have to tighten it all the way. You're gonna have to, they say you need 18 foot-pounds. It needs to be torqued to 18 foot-pounds. Once you get it pretty much snug, then you pull out your torque wrench. There we go. So now, your ball bearings and your springs. So springs in those small holes first, just like they came out. Then the ball bearings. Be careful. We don't want to drop it like I just did. Okay, so now we get our other two little clips, put them over these ball bearings with the flat end down and the lip out. Okay, and now we need to slide this into the bracket. And once you get it somewhat lined up, the ball bearings will be staying put. So remember, you want that clip toward the back, okay? And that's slid in fairly simple. Get your C-clip. Okay, that's in there. Footboard installed. Looks pretty good to me. I like it. And I'm sure she's gonna like it too. So, lesson learned. Learn from my mistakes. If you see this one first, then you didn't see any mistakes. So anyway, see you next time. Thanks for watching.